And welcome to the ETF Edge portion of Halftime Report. I'm Bob Pisani. One of the few big gainers in the ETF world this year, the bet against Cathie Wood. The Tuttle Capital Short Innovation ETF, ARKK, seeks to capture the inverse of Cathie ARK Innovation Fund on a daily basis. It's up 77% this year. Now its creator, it's a new product which seeks to capture the opposite of that, 2 times the daily exposure of ARK. Let's talk to its creator, Matt Tuttle, Managing Director of AXS Capital, AXS Investments. Mac, you have a successful launch of a short Cathie Wood ETF. 2 weeks ago, you launched that long ARK ETF. What's the motivation to have a long and a short ARK fund now?
Yeah, so, I mean, if there's one thing that people can agree on ARKK is that it's going to move. You know, whether it's up, whether it's down, it's going to move big. So we wanted to give investors, you know, the opportunity to be able to play both sides. You know, we look at SARK as a better hedge than anything that's out there. You know, we look at TARK as a great tactical tool. You know, also for people who are fans of the ARKK strategy, maybe people are holding it at a loss at this point. You know, TARK could also create some great opportunities there.
Matt, I asked Cathie Wood a month ago how she felt about having a fund that shorted her ideas. Here's what she told us.
There hasn't been another situation where an ETF has been created to bet against another ETF. And my attitude towards that is, wow, they are so sure that American innovation is not going to be a sensible place to invest, that they have created a fund to short our strategy. From my point of view, if we are right, and I trust our research, they're doing no research. They're just making a judgment call, I think, on valuations. But based on our research, if we're right, they are going to have to cover their shorts.
Matt, can you respond to that? Are you shorting American innovation?
We're not shorting American innovation. So, you know, remember, just because one portfolio manager says a company is innovative doesn't make it innovative. Companies that are currently innovative have to stay innovative. So, yeah, I mean, research is very important there. Again, what we're doing is we're providing investors a tool, and it's a tool in the case of SARK, to me, to hedge this current macro environment, what's going on. You know, certainly there are people who are using it because they're negative on ARKK directly, you know, and that's fine as well.
Okay, thank you, Matt. Coming up on ETF Edge, Matt will update us on the coming wave of leveraged and inverse single stock ETFs coming in 2022. We're talking about leverage bets coming on Tesla, NVIDIA, and other companies. He'll be joined by Ben Slavin. He's the global head of ETFs at BNY Mellon, and John Davi is the chief investment officer at Astoria Portfolio Advisors. Plus, how this intense volatility is affecting trading in the ETF world. ETFEdge.cnbc.com. Halftime. Back right after this.